is the tale of a little red hen. Lived on a farm in a chicky chick pen. She and her brood would never shirk, but the livelong day just work, work, work. One fine day this little red hen found some wheat in her chicky chick pen. All the little chicks cried, but the hen said, "No, you know this wheat."
Not I. My feet are flat.
Not I. Go ask the cat. I'll do it all myself. So the little red hen just looked around, found a little plow to plow her ground. Plowed it hard and she plowed it deep, and the little chicks helped with the feet, feet, feet.
Peep, peep, peep.
Not I. My feet are flat. Not I. Go ask the cat. I'll throw it all myself. So the little hen started to grow her grain, looked all around for a shower of rain, sprinkled the soil with a bottle of pep, and the wheat grew right up step by step. Not I. My feet are flat. Not I. Go ask the cat. I'll make it all myself. So the little hen worked like a busy bee. She had to feed her family. Needed the dough and she needed it quick, for empty tummy speck little chick sick. will.